Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 32. The blessed Lord said, I am the mighty world destroying time, now engaged in destroying the worlds. Even without you, none of the warriors arrayed in hostile armies shall live.
Chapter 11, Shloka 32. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Kalosmi Loka Kshayakrit Pravruddho Lokan Samahartum Iha Pravrittaha Rutepi Tvam Na Bhavishyanti Sarve Evastita Pratyanikeshu Yodaha.
Chapter 11, Shloka 32. Introducing himself as the manifestation of the truth in its aspect of destruction, the Lord in the universal form declares, no construction of a thing is possible without a corresponding destruction of its own previous condition. In this sense, we can say that the world is created by a continuous process of creation. Childhood dies before youth appears. When youth passes away, old age takes birth. The power behind the constructive destruction is the power which governs the life of beings. Lord says, I am the mighty world destroying time, who has manifested to wipe out the generation that has suffered decay in its own false sense of values and wrong assumptions about life and its purpose. The purpose behind the manifestation is to destroy totally the negative forces that strangle the cultural life of the country. For this, he is not depending on any individual or individuals. It is time which is going to bring the change and achieve the revival, and the individuals are but mere creatures in destiny. Time's plan will be worked out with or without their cooperation. Lord Krishna says, even without you, none of the warriors arrayed in hostile armies shall live. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.